Hello, this is Obed E Abakah. Welcome back to FANTE. In today's FANTE lesson, we will recognize and use simple present tense action words in sentences as they are used in FANTE. I will be right back. Welcome back. Basic 5 learners will benefit greatly from this lesson. Abakah, simple present tense. We use simple present tense when an action is happening right now or when it happens regularly. Note that in FANTE, we always attach the pronoun to the verb, with the exception of the FANTE pronoun whom, which is the plural form of you. Here are some examples for your understanding. We start with the pronouns followed by the verbs. Me, the pronoun, da, the verb, which you put together, meda, meda. Regular occurrence or meda, happening right now. Me, the pronoun, si, the verb, which you put together, mizi, mizi, regular occurrence. Or the pronoun, ko, the verb, which you put together, oko, oko, regular occurrence or happening right now. O, the pronoun, si, the verb, which you put together, osi, osi, regular occurrence. Ye, the pronoun, fa, the verb, which you put together, yefa, yefa, regular occurrence. Ye, the pronoun, chi, the verb, which you put together, yechi, yechi, happening right now or regular occurrence. Wo, the pronoun, so, the verb, which you put together, waso, waso, regular occurrence. Wo, the pronoun, su, the verb, which you put together, wasu, wasu, regular occurrence. Whom, the pronoun, sol, the verb, which we can put together as we have discussed earlier. So we write or say whom sol, whom sol. Here are some simple present tenses used in FANTE. Odentam dodo, odentam dodo. Ocho nam wo ekra so ho, ocho nam wo ekra so ho. Opezibende breed, opezibende breed. Now, identify the simple present tense in this sentence. Ready? Opera and napebiara. Opera and napebiara. Submit your answers in the comment section. I hope you have enjoyed today's lesson. Let's meet some other time. Same channel. Here. Bye bye.